Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ghumdim. अनि यो चाहिँ अर्को ब्लग. This blog is all about rainy season. अनि पानी परिसकेपछिको भ्यूहरु छ यसमा. Hope you enjoy it. यो लोकेसन चाहिँ दाङ उठैया भन्ने ठाउँमा, my hometown. Nature heals everyone's heart, and today it heals ours. Due to Corona, nowadays our greeting style be like flying over the water and playing with the water is also one of the best feelings of rainy season. I think greeny is the attraction of rainy season. Flying ends, water on the road, cycling with triple load, we saw the pure locality. So, धेरैको फेभरेट होला यो रेनी सिजन हैन. होस् पनि किन यस्तो दामी सिनहरु छ. क्लाउड यस्तो दामी हो. अनि तल हेर्ने हो नि चाहिँ यस्तो छ. तल हेर्ने हो चाहिँ यस्तो बट भ्यू चाहिँ अति दामी हो. भ्यू चाहिँ natural things are always superb. These bubbles are far more better than the artificial bubbles. And now the cinematic time is start.
The beauty of nature is everywhere, but we have to find it. Because this is the proof. Nature gives us so many beautiful things. Therefore, we must have to take advantage of these beautiful things. In my way, nature have a lot of feelings like ours. When it becomes sad, its tears flows as a rain. When it gets angry, natural disaster occurs, and it shows its happiness through the greeny. Yeah, म त भन्छु don't waste your time to find God because nature is our God. Don't be sad. Happiness is everywhere. And yeah, smile is the proof of happiness. I think you loved it. All the shots are recorded by my Redmi Note 9 Pro. Yeah, it takes too long time, but I did it. Subscribe this channel, like and comment the video and share this to your friends.